Hey there, Bo again with DocumentCam.com, and today we're doing another unboxing, this time for the Thustand V4k DocCam. This is a very popular model, if not currently, as of the time of filming, the most popular document cam on Amazon today. So, yeah, this one was made in China, shipped from China. So, you see the box here. And let's open it up, see what's inside. Oh wow, okay. This one looks like it's going to require a little more setup than some of the other models that I've looked at. But, alright, so let's do our best. Got some poles here. Alright. Again, I apologize for any background noise. I do live in urban Honolulu, so there's a lot going on, but let's see what's in here. Okay. That's interesting. The camera is attached to the USB cord there. Alright, and you have the instruction manual. It looks like in both English, German, no, French as well. So a couple different languages there for you. Some kind of prize code thing. And it looks like the base of the document camera here. Nice looking. Alright, so let's get all this stuff out of the way and take a look here. Alright, so take a quick look here at the picture. See if I can set it up. Alright. So a couple screws here. Looks like this screw is going to go through here to the bottom of the base, and then we are going to attach this one here. So, oops, wrong end. Alright, so that looks good. And then this one here goes along the top, and you can modify the height as you want it. So let's say I want it right here, so I'm gonna tighten it. Then this one, I'm guessing is going to be pushed through here. Oops. Do that a little bit so that there's an opening. Screws in the way. There we go. Oops. Alright, so that's going to go like that. And again, you can kind of manage where you want to put it. Right? So let's say I want it right there. Screw it. It's looking pretty good so far. And now finally what you're going to do is you're going to get this guy here, and you're going to put this screw through here, and you're going to screw it on like so. Alright, so there we are. We got it set up, and then all you would do at this point, of course, is plug in the USB. Alright, and again, you'd want to work on your wire management a little better than I have it here, but put it right there. And it's good to go. Yeah, so again, this takes a little more setup than most of the models that we look at, but again, this is a very highly reviewed, highly popular document camera. Comes with a lot of 5-star recommendations. So for more document camera reviews, more unboxings, go to DocumentCam.com. Again, my name is Bo. Thanks for watching. See you again.